Hi, everybody. This is Katie from the Managed Services team here at Planet, and I'm here to update you about this week's Play of the Week. I have some awesome news for our GCC Moderate, GCC High, and DoD customers who are working to secure their Microsoft 365 tenant. Microsoft has announced that Secure Score will soon be available for GCC and DoD environments. The Secure Score will analyze policies and implementations for the following Microsoft products: Defender for Endpoint, Defender for Office 365, Defender for Identity, Defender for Cloud Apps, and third-party applications through Defender for Cloud Apps. It will create a score, graphs, and a list of improvement actions based on what is implemented in your tenant, and it will be available in the Microsoft Security Center. I am excited for this feature to roll out since I have used it to help plan projects and improve security for commercial tenants for years. This is a great tool for identifying benchmarks and assessing your tenant's security posture. This feature will be rolling out in April 2023 to GCC Moderate, GCC High, and DoD customers. It is already available for GCC Low and commercial tenants. Thank you for tuning in to this week's Play of the Week, and as always, let us or your IT staff know if you have any questions. Thanks again, and have a great week.